with this thing, some wooden piece of stick and all, and then got the fire.
समाप्त करने का समय आ गया है। ऐसे शक्तियों को और इनको समर्थन करना
Yes. Today I have visited with my colleague Shri Murli, brutally murdered, and one more is very severely injured. This shows the leftist ideology people, where they are in power, they instigate, they promote the violence. This previously in West Bengal also we had witnessed this, and the same people, they are into the Trinamool Congress after the fall of CPIM, and now in Kerala this is as usual continued. But these left people never believe in democracy, because basically they are communist, and whoever doesn't like their ideology, they are murdered, they are killed, they are injured, their houses are attacked. This is the common practice, and so it has happened recently to both of our workers who are our committed workers, Shri Nandu Krishna and Shri Nandu. After the completion of Bharatiya Janata Party's program, a peaceful program, while returning, this violence attack has been articulated, engineered with the indirect help of political establishment in the state, that is CPIM. I charge this government that you are the people who are trying to hush up the things, indirectly support the murderers. So far the main culprits, they have not been arrested. Few people have been arrested, but the people who actually attacked on the spot, there were 8 people, as you all know very well. One is killed and one is injured. Other people who were there with Sri Nandu and Nandu Krishna, they were explaining in front of you to me and Sri Murliji that the main accused is so far not arrested. This violence has no place. I am telling to Chief Minister today, Pinarayi Vijayan, the same thing was done in West Bengal during your regime. Believing that TMC may give relief of all these things, they voted. Now TMC is also behaving, and in the same manner how the left was thrown out, dethroned, in the same manner the TMC is also going to be outed this time. If you do not arrest and bring the peace in the state immediately, you will be also thrown out. And now at the mid of the election, murdering and trying to threaten other ideology people is nothing but dictatorial attitude. People who are talking of intolerance, in their own state, what is happening, they have to see it. And they may be thinking that throughout the country and even in Kerala, the BJP day by day it is growing. Our vote share is going up. That's why by threatening like this, they are thinking that our growth can be curbed, curtailed. But BJP and our ideological जो परिवार हमारा है, we have faced all these things. Peacefully we will face this. Legally we will face this. And people will teach you a lesson for supporting such a type of activities in the state. All these parties, may it be Communist Party, may it be the Congress Party, this Popular Front of India and SDPI people have always been supported by them. I want to just to make you understand how these parties are behaving. The same type of violence in some part of Karnataka by SDPI and PFI people, such activities were done, but the then Siddaramaiah government, after coming into the power, they withdrew all the cases filed against them. More than few hundred cases were withdrawn against SDPI and PFI and SDPI. These people who are fighting against each other in Kerala, but in fact their ideology, their thinking, their approach, their attitude is same. Appeasement. Kill the people who do not like their ideology. Kill the people who democratically they oppose them. I call upon the people, this is the high time that we should end this violence. Everybody has got right to put forth their ideology in front of people. Once again, I urge Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan to immediately arrest and seriously book the cases against them who are yet to be arrested. Some people are roaming here and there. That's why even the families, the affected families, still they are under the fear psychosis. And you can understand the plight of the mother. He is the only son, Mr. Nandu is the only son. And she was living with them, and such a young boy, at this age, if that mother loses the son, what will be the plight of that mother? In spite of having all these things, one person has lost his left hand. In spite of all these things, there is no seriousness to the state government. I strongly condemn the attitude of the state government. At the same time, I urge them at least now learn a lesson and stop this violence. India as a whole and Kerala in particular, people will never tolerate the violence. People will give befitting reply for all these things. And by this, whatever you have done, nepotism, corruption, all such things, you may be thinking by curbing BJP, you may curb, you may come out of all these things, but that will not happen. BJP will take it as a challenge, and I also assure you that state BJP will take care of those families, their treatment and their welfare. Thank you.
Local BJP leadership of Kerala is not satisfied with the local investigation, especially Kerala police. Is there any chance to central investigation?
Now at present, I can only urge the state government. Otherwise, if you do not have proper machinery or something like that, or a political will, rather I can say political will, then you hand over the case to CBI. We will inquire, and you give us free hand, we will bring this violence to an end.
So what is your opinion? Law and situation, especially in Kerala?
No, the total corruption, mismanagement, malgovernance, and nepotism everywhere in every level of the government, their own party cadres, and that's why people are these goons of these 2-3 parties. They are feeling that either this government or that government we are safe. This situation has to end.
ചേട്ടാ മോഹൻ ദാസരിക്കുന്നു ചേട്ടാ
തിരിച്ചു വരികയുണ്ട് പരിപാടി നമ്മുടെ പ്രോഗ്രാം കഴിഞ്ഞു ആഫ്റ്റർ അവർ സെഷൻ ഹി വാസ് കമ്മിങ് ബാക്ക് ഹി വാസ് അലോൺ ഓർ വേറെ കൂടെ
Yeah. He lost his hand.
How many days they are?
പഴയ സിമിയുടെ വേറൊരു രൂപമാണ് SDPI എന്ന ആരോപണത്തിൽ സിമിയെ നിരോധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പോൾ SDPI പോപ്പുലർ ഫ്രണ്ട് പോലെയുള്ള സംഘടനകളാണ് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിനെ നിരോധിക്കാൻ
കേരളത്തിലെ ഭീകരവാദ സംഘടനകൾ നിരോധിക്കപ്പെടുമ്പോൾ പേരുമാറ്റി പുതിയ രൂപത്തിൽ പ്രത്യക്ഷപ്പെടുന്ന ഒരു സാഹചര്യം, ആ സാഹചര്യമാണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു പ്രത്യക്ഷ ഉദാഹരണമാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ വയലാറിൽ സംഭവിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള കൊലപാതകം. അതുകൊണ്ട് സർക്കാർ ഈ പേരിൻ്റെ പിന്നാലെ പോകാതെ ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള ശക്തികളെ കർശനമായിട്ട് നിയന്ത്രിക്കാനും അങ്ങനെയുള്ള സംഭവങ്ങൾ ആവർത്തിക്കാനും ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള നടപടികൾ എടുക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് വേണ്ടത്. പ്രതികളായിട്ടുള്ള സംഭവത്തിൽ നേരിട്ട് പങ്കാളികളായിട്ടുള്ള ആളുകൾ, അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ആളുകൾക്കെതിരായിട്ട് ഒരു നടപടിയും ഇതുവരെ എടുത്തിട്ടില്ല, അവരെ അറസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല എന്നാണ് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ടുള്ള അറസ്റ്റ് അത് ആളുകളുടെ കണ്ണിൽ പൊടിയിടാനുള്ള ഒരു തന്ത്രം മാത്രമാണ്. ഈ തന്ത്രങ്ങളിലൂടെ അക്രമ സംഭവങ്ങളെ ഇല്ലാതാക്കാൻ കഴിയില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് സർക്കാർ അടിയന്തരമായിട്ട് കർശനമായിട്ടുള്ള നടപടികൾ എടുക്കണം.
ദേശീയ തലത്തിൽ പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന സംഘടനകളാണ് ഇതെല്ലാം. നിരോധിക്കാൻ കേന്ദ്ര ഗവൺമെന്റിന് വലിയ ഉത്തരവാദിത്വം.
കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാർ നിയമപരമായിട്ട് പരിശോധിച്ച് വേണ്ടത് ചെയ്യും. അല്ല, അന്വേഷണം ശരിയായ ദിശയിലല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ടാണല്ലോ യഥാർത്ഥ പ്രതികളെ കണ്ടെത്തിയിട്ട് അറസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാത്തത്.
കേന്ദ്ര ഏജൻസികൾ വിവരങ്ങൾ തേടിയെന്ന് വിവരം കിട്ടുന്നില്ല. അവരെ കൊണ്ട് അന്വേഷിപ്പിക്കും.
വിവരം അന്വേഷിക്കുമല്ലോ. കേന്ദ്ര ഏജൻസി ഇന്ത്യയിൽ എവിടെ അക്രമം നടന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാലും അന്വേഷിക്കും.
ഈ കേസ് അന്വേഷിക്കും.
വിവരം അന്വേഷിക്കുന്നതാണ്.